Hi again, and today I'm just going to do a real quick tutorial about a subject which is something that you see a lot in games and 3D these days, which is a sort of a glow effect, a bloom effect, where you see these really bright lights and it kind of creates reflections and distortion within the camera lens. And we're going to do that today, and it's a real simple thing, but I'm going to start by storing a copy of this so we'll have something to go back to. And now I'm going to just do a gamma adjustment or a curve adjustment and start here, drag this down until we just see the part that we want to focus on, which is this bright area. And then we're going to blur that. That's really all there is to it. You can blur it as much as you want to. I'm going to do it about there. And I'm going to go back and drop this original back over it. I'm going to combine, and you can combine it some way, several different ways with add or screen or greater than. I'm going to go ahead and use add. I think that's my favorite. And you see right there. Let me store this and then we'll compare the original. That's the original, and that is the glow, the bloom effect. So real simple technique. That's really all there is to it. About all I had to say for now. Thanks for watching, and talk to you later.